Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. I am super excited for today's video because as you can tell sa title, we are going to be talking about, ang layo niya, Issy and Co's skin collection. They actually sent me the entire collection, lahat ng shades meron tayo guys, kaya I'm so happy because maipapakita ko sa inyo yung complete swatches. And also very quick heads up lang that this is actually not a first impression review because nasubukan ko na yung mga product kaya I already know how I feel about them and mai-share ko na sa inyo yung complete details kasama yung wear test. And bago tayo mag-proceed sa review and sa mga products guys, I just wanna share with you as well muna yung kanilang PR kit kasi guys, super duper amazing. This is how the PR package looks like nung dumating sa akin and I'm so happy because again, tote yung binigay nila kasi guys, gamit na gamit ko yung unang tote na binigay nila sa akin. Actually, sana nga binibenta nila yung mga ganito parang merch kasi diba, it looks really good. And ganito naman yung box niya guys. I love it kasi very on brand, minimalist, clean, and hindi masakit sa mata. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawala yung campaign materials which I have here and grabe guys, sobrang nice na mga photos, ng quality, and ang ganda kasi sobrang inclusive niya. And as you can see, 9 yung models that they have because each person represents yung bawat shades na concealer and skin tint na meron sila. Kaya sobrang nakaka-happy kasi diba, sobrang inclusive nga and diverse. I honestly don't have anything bad to say sa campaign nila kasi as always, sobrang on point, ang ganda ng quality, the models looks amazing. And dito tayo mag-start sa active skin tint because as you can see, binago nila yung packaging and also nag-add sila ng mga bagong shades. Look at that guys, sobrang nice ng bagong packaging. And for those of you na hindi pa ganun ka-familiar or aware how it looks like before, ganito yung old packaging ng product guys. Actually, nice naman siya. But the problem with this one is since airless pump siya, may tendency minsan na hindi mag-dispense yung product. But this time sa bagong packaging ng product, you don't need to worry kasi mas mabilis na siyang i-dispense because squeeze tight na yung pinaka-component niya. This one contains 35 ml by the way and yung price nito is 499 pesos. 6 yung shades na meron sila sa skin tint before but ngayon nag-add sila ng 3 and yung mga shades na yun are Bisque, Sand, and Honey. And that makes me so happy kasi diba talagang ano sila yan, nag-i-improve. I mean, no shade sa ibang brand ha, pero I love the fact na hindi sila yung klase ng brand na 2 or 3 shades lang and happy na. Take notes, other brand. Swatch natin sila guys para meron kayong idea kung alin sa mga shades na meron sila yung perfect para sa inyo. This one is Vanilla. This is Beach, which is yung shade na ginagamit ko. This one is Fawn. Ito naman si Hazel. We also have the shade Sienna and also Brulee. Again, from top to bottom, we have the shades Vanille, Beach, Fawn, Hazel, Sienna, and Brulee. Ito yung first 6 shades na nirelease nila ng bagong launch. Yung mga bagong shades naman yung iswatch natin. This one is Bisque. This one is Sand. And this one is Honey. Again, these are the newest shade ng skin tint. We have the shades Bisque, Sand, and Honey. And I guess obvious naman guys, and kitang-kita sa swatches kung alin dito sa 3 bagong shade yung pinaka-perfect for my skin tone. And that is yung first, which is Bisque. I mean, look at that, diba? Sobrang perfect ng shade match niya sa aking skin tone. And by the way, just in case na hindi niyo pa alam, yung shade nga palang gamit ko before sa Issy and Co skin tint is si Beach. And ito yung comparison nila. First one is yung new shade which is Bisque. Tapos yung dalawa naman is Beach. Yung unang Beach is yung bago, tapos yung pangalawa naman is yung original. It actually makes me so happy na 2 shades yung pwede ko magamit dito guys. Kasi diba, kapag ka nag-sale yung isang shade, pwede ko siyang bilhin. Tapos kapag ka nag-sale yung isa, pwede ko ulit bilhin. And the fact na meron akong 3 sa collection ko ngayon makes me so happy kasi diba, hindi ako mauubusan ng pwedeng gamitin. For this demo, ito yung gagamitin ko guys, yung shade na Bisque. Of course, para makita nyo how it looks like sa aking skin. And actually, this one, pwede nyo siyang gamitin using fingers eh. But since you guys know na hindi ako gumagamit talaga ng fingers sa kahit anong product sa aking face, most especially yung mga tinted sunscreens, mga BB cream, foundation, and all that, gagamit na lang ako ng brush. But again, this one is very blendable, easy to apply, kaya kahit fingers, pwedeng-pwede. And sa half ng face ko lang muna siya ilalagay para makita nyo yung difference ng meron sa wala. And ayan guys, look at the difference. Kitang-kita naman na merong improvement yung skin kasi yung side na meron, as you can see, mas even out na yung skin tone, mas fresh tignan yung skin, and mas bright ng tignan, mas maaliwalas. Actually, one layer lang okay na guys. Pwede na siya. Tapos mag-spot conceal na lang kayo sa mga areas na kailangan. Kasi it looks really nice na. But of course, this is a review demo siya kaya subukan din nating i-layer para makita nyo yung difference nung one layer sa dalawa. And of course, pea-sized amount lang yung nilagay ko sa aking brush, kagaya nung umpisa. And ito naman siya kapag 2 layers. And guys, look at the color match. Grabe, sobrang nag-blend talaga sa skin ko. As in, sobrang spot on. Kaya kung pareho tayo ng shade, eto guys, Bisque is the perfect option. Perfect choice rather, kasi it blends into the skin seamlessly. As in, sobrang flawless and spot on ng shade. Formula-wise, still the same guys. Kaya if you love yung nasa old packaging, definitely magugustuhan nyo tong bago because it's very similar sa first release. Sobrang perfect for everyday kasi it's very lightweight, it looks natural, and maganda siyang gamitin especially if yung hanap nyo is yung talaga nakaka-even out ng skin tone. Anyway, moving on, this time ang pag-usapan naman natin is yung pinaka-excited ako ipakita sa inyo guys, and that is the Issy and Co Active Concealer. This is how the packaging looks like, and as you can see, super on brand. Very similar siya sa kanilang skin tint and also sa powder. And ito naman yung actual component or packaging ng concealer, and as you can see, super sleek, super minimalist. I love it. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda talaga ng branding. I don't have anything bad to say. 9 shades yung meron sila guys. Sobrang nakakatuwa kasi diba very inclusive. And I also love the fact na hindi lang sila basta-bastang naglabas na iba-ibang shades guys. Kasi kinonsider din nila yung skin depth and also yung mga undertones. Again, 9 yung shades na meron dito guys. It retails for 399 pesos and it contains 10 ml. And what makes this product stand out aside sa kanyang shade range is actually yung ingredients na meron siya. Compared kasi sa ibang nabibili sa market, this one mas maganda siya because it contains sodium hyaluronate, meron siyang bentonate clay, glycerin, and also avocado extract. And also, this concealer is actually oil-free as well, kagaya ng kanilang skin tint. Unfortunately, hindi ko na mai-swatch tong concealer dito sa aking jaw area kasi nakapag-base na ako, kaya sa arm na lang. This one is the shade FN1. This is FW1. Next up, we have FO2. This one is FN2. Next is MO2. This is MW2, MW3, DW4, and lastly we have DO4. It makes me so happy because again, they did their research. Hindi lang sila naglabas ng maraming shades para masabing inclusive. They also considered yung depth ng skin and also yung undertone. Kaya look at that, diba? Sobrang nice ng shade range. FN2 yung shade na gagamitin ko for spot concealing, and for my under eye for highlight, ang shade na gagamitin ko is si FW1. And para makita nyo yung difference, sa half lang muna tayo ng face maglagay. Again, this one is FW1 and maglagay lang muna tayo ng konti. I mean, look at the difference ng meron sa wala, di ba? Sobrang laki. And sobrang perfect ng shade na to guys, especially pang highlight ng under eye because very brightening talaga siya, and kung i-compare nyo yung meron sa wala, di ba? Mas buhay tignan yung meron. I mean, mas fresh tignan, mas maaliwalas, and parang sobrang kompleto ka sa tulog. Coverage is really nice as well. Medium siya but very buildable, kaya perfect na perfect for everyday. Look at that, di ba? Sobrang laki ng difference sa wala. I love it. As in, ang perfect ng shade. Kasi yellow undertone, kaya ayan, tignan nyo, talaga nakaka-brighten siya. Tsaka sobrang lightweight niya guys, kaya okay na okay to, especially on days na ayaw nyo mag-makeup. Yung ayaw nyo ng feeling na merong makeup sa face, eto guys, pwedeng-pwede siya kasi ang gaang talaga. It feels like nothing. It looks so good and it looks very natural, diba? Tignan nyo. Anyway, this time guys, i-build up natin para makita nyo yung difference ng one layer sa dalawa. But to be honest, sa akin kahit one layer lang, I'm good na. Okay na ako guys, masaya na ako doon kasi diba? Sobrang bright na and fresh tignan ng under eye after one layer. But gets ko din naman kasi diba may mga days na gusto nating mag-double layer. Kaya eto guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo how it looks like kapag ka dalawang layer. And eto naman siya kapag ka 2 layers, and as you can see, talagang mas naging intense yung brightness ng under eye and nadagdagan yung coverage. Kaya definitely very buildable talaga siya. And okay na okay kasi diba, depende sa mood nyo. Kung gusto nyo nga mag-light coverage, one layer lang, and kung gusto nyo ng mas intense, pwede nyo dagdagan. Again, for spot concealing, shade FN2 yung gagamitin ko. And that's it, guys. After a few seconds of blending, as you can see, covered na yung mga dark spots ko and imperfection dito sa area na to. But look at that, almost non-detectable na yung mga pimple marks ko, yung mga dark spots, kaya sobrang nakaka-happy kasi diba ang nice ng coverage niya. Definitely, a little goes a long way, kaya sobrang sulit nito. And also, I forgot to mention that this one doesn't oxidize, which is super amazing kasi hindi mag-alter yung color, as in, kung ano yung shade niya dito and kung ano siya kapag in-apply, ganun siya all throughout the day. And of course, to set my face, ang gagamitin ko is the Issy and Co Weightless Powder in Translucent, which is actually one of my faves. Grabe guys, sobrang happy ko sa concealer kasi it works really well sa skin tint, as in match made in heaven sila. Especially ngayon, di ba, maraming tao yung mahilig sa no makeup. This one is perfect, atong concealer na to.
A few moments later.
Just in case you guys are wondering kung anong makeup yung ginamit ko on my face, for lipstick, ang gamit ko is the Lip Mousse in the shade Babe. For blush, I used the Issy and Co Cream Blush in the shade Tutu, which looks like this. Meron siyang shimmer. And then for my kilay, ang ginamit ko is yung isa sa mga bagong product ng Issy and Co, which is the Precision Brow Pen. 4 yung shades na meron sila dito, guys, kaya sobrang perfect, especially if may kulay yung buhok nyo. And yung shade na ginamit ko is Ash. This is how it looks like, and as you can see, super fine nung tip, as in pinong-pino siya. Very sharp, kaya perfect siya, and talagang namimimik yung brow hairs. And sobrang natural sa kilay, diba? Kaya I love this one and I highly recommend as well. Ito naman yung final product na susubukan natin, guys. This is the Weightless Loose Powder, and naglabas sila ng bagong shade or variant, and this one is the Radiant Finish. Packaging, as you can see, is still the same. Super nice, sleek. Very similar lang sa previous nilang mga powders na nilabas. And I actually like this one. Maganda yung formula niya kasi pinong-pino yung powder, as in walang grit, walang gaspang, kaya masarap ilagay sa face. Very lightweight as well. And it does the job really well. I mean, talaga nakaka-mattify, talaga nakaka-set. Kaya okay na okay siya, especially kung ayaw nyo ng mabigat na powder. And this new one is really nice kasi guys, may mga tiny particles siya. Kaya kung gusto nyo gawing radiant yung finish ng makeup nyo or lagyan ng konting glow, without making your skin makintab or yung parang glittery, this one is really good. And hopefully you guys can see the swatch kasi medyo maliwanag. But ayan, meron siyang tiny particles which actually gives the skin the perfect glow. Hindi siya, again, sobrang kintab, walang chunks of glitter. Kaya okay na okay to, guys, pang dusting para gawing mas glowy yung base nyo and radiant. And ayan, look at that, instant radiant skin, diba? Actually, kahit hindi na nga kayo mag-highlight, pwede na siya, especially kapag no makeup days. Kasi diba, look at that, oh, sobrang nice nung radiant glow na binibigay niya. Most of the time kasi diba, and ang tendency ng powder, most especially yung translucent and mattifying, is nakaka-flat siya ng face. Pero dito sa powder nga na to, ginagawang radiant yung finish, kaya hindi flat tignan, mas mukha siyang buhay. Tsaka talaga nakaka-set siya ng face, guys, kasi once you touch your skin or your face, wala na siyang lagkit. Such an amazing addition dito sa kanilang line of powders, and I feel like this one as well, madalas ko siyang magagamit kasi sobrang ganda ng finish. And munti ko na makalimutan, guys, that this one nga pala retails for 349 pesos and 10 grams na siya. Marami na yun, guys. Sobrang sulit. Hey guys, it is currently 2:05 in the afternoon. Nag-makeup ako because tinatest ko yung bagong Issy and Co concealer and also yung skin tint. Meron kasi sila mga bagong shades na nilabas, and actually yung shade na gamit ko ngayon sa skin tint is yung isa sa mga bago, and I'm so happy kasi sobrang close nung kulay niya sa skin tone ko. But anyway, this is how my skin looks like. Apologies for the hair. Hindi ko pa siya inaayos, but ayan, ito yung makeup ko today, and i-wear test natin yung mga bagong product ng Issy and Co. And so far, so good. I am so happy with how the product looks like on my skin. So far, wala ko namang creasing, especially sa under eye. It looks flawless. It looks smooth. I love it so far. So yeah, ayun guys, so far so good. Again, I'm really happy with how it looks like on my skin, how it feels. And i-update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Again, it is currently 2:05. Siguro ano na, 2:07, 2:08, ganon. So yeah, ayun lamang guys. That is it for my first check-in.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so it is now 8:03. Ito yung time. Hopefully you can see. And this is how my makeup looks like after almost 6 hours. As you can see dito sa side na to ng aking face, and dito sa area na to, nabawasan na or nawala yung skin tint. And yung reason kung bakit is because, actually, hindi ko naman alam na may magaganap na mga kung ano-ano ngayon. At ayun nga, naging medyo busy ako today kasi thrice akong bumaba ng building sa apartment ko para mag-pick up ng mga parcels, magpa-deliver, and also para sunduin yung daddy ko. Kaya nag-fade yung skin tint na nilagay ko, guys, kasi naka-mask ako, and of course, nag-transfer siya kasi hindi ko masyadong sinet ng powder tong part na to. As in, dusting lang yung ginawa ko because hindi ko nga alam or hindi ko na-expect na bababa ako or magmamask. But I'm very sure na kung dinamihan ko yung powder na gamit ko, maglalast siya or hindi ganitong kadami yung transfer because kita nyo naman siguro sa previous video ko sa Issy and Co sa skin tint. After so many hours, it looks amazing pa din. Kaya ayun guys, just keep that in mind. Na kapag ka maglalagay kayo ng base, of course, isat nyong mabuti, especially if oily yung skin nyo and magmamask kayo. Tsaka sa forehead guys, hindi nga pala ako naglagay ng kahit anong product because I feel like I don't need naman. But anyway, in terms of concealer, oh my god guys, look at my under eye. Feeling ko naman sobrang visible and prominent niya sa video. It looks amazing, as in walang creasing at all. And diba, kitang-kita pa din yung pagka-highlight niya. Kasi diba, mabilis namang malaman if nag-retouch yung isang person ng makeup. But yung sa akin guys, wala pa din talaga. Ang na-notice ko lang na nag-crease sa concealer na nilagyan ko is yung gilid ng ilong, which is actually very common naman sa kahit anong product sa akin. Mapa-high-end, drugstore, mumurahin, mamahalin. Talaga nagki-crease siya kasi sobrang intense ng creasing ko talaga dito sa area na to. So ayun guys, for me overall, I really like this concealer. Definitely and without any hesitations guys, masasabi ko that this is the best concealer sa local market na meron tayo. Tapos dito sa area na to guys, nga pala nag-spot conceal din ako. And I'm so happy because even though naka-mask ako, hindi masyadong nag-fade yung concealer. Very minimal lang. Konting-konti lang yung pagpipeek through but it looks really nice pa din. As in legit guys, without any hesitation, hindi ako magdadalawang isip sabihin na sa lahat ng mga local concealers na meron sa atin and nasubukan ko, this is definitely the best. Dito sa skin tint, I'm really happy kasi bago na yung packaging, it's easier to use, mas convenient, and diba, mas maliit siya kaya perfect for traveling, for small bags, and if you don't have that much space sa makeup collection nyo. Formula-wise, I'm so happy kasi same pa din yung formula sa original. Very lightweight, perfect for everyday, and maganda nga gamitin especially if you want to even out your skin tone. Tapos di ba naglabas pa ng 3 bagong shades kaya sobrang dami ng options ngayon. If you guys watch my video, siguro alam nyo nang sobrang love ko talaga to guys, and I'm so happy na yung improvement na meron siya. Sobrang effective and ang ganda. Issy and Co's concealer, I highly recommend. You need to get your hands on this guys kasi panigurado, magugustuhan nyo din siya. Again, they have 9 shades, sobrang daming pwedeng pagpilian. It looks amazing on the skin kasi very natural yung finish. It's buildable, it doesn't cake, it doesn't crease. I don't have anything bad to say dito, and without any hesitation, masasabi ko talaga guys, sa lahat ng mga local concealers na meron, eto yung number 1 sa akin. I mean, sa lahat ng mga nasubukan ko before guys, definitely eto yung pinakamaganda. And lastly, itong powder guys. Again, kung naghahanap kayo ng powder na kayang gawing radiant yung skin nyo or base, this one is really good kasi hindi niya ginagawang flat yung finish ng face kaya sobrang buhay na buhay and fresh tignan yung mukha. And of course, for your reference, sa Issy and Co skin tint, ang shade ko is Bisque. Tapos sa active concealer naman, for spot concealing, FN2, and for highlight, we have FW1. Kaya kung pareho tayo ng skin tone and ginagamit na shade sa mga product, eto guys yung mga shade na perfect sa inyo. Available na to sa Shopee guys, kaya if you want to get your hands on them, just check the description box, ilalagay ko lahat ng link. And syempre, if you're planning to purchase, mas okay siguro kung ngayong 10-10 because Issy and Co as always have a lot of amazing deals and discounts, kaya take advantage of that para makasave kayo ng money. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.